My name is Magicy, and today you are going to learn about me. So, are you all excited? Okay, let's start the class then. A-E-I-O-U. I am Kitoli. What about you? Good morning, children. I hope you are all keeping well. So, today we are going to start a very important and very interesting class. Okay, so we are going to learn about someone. And who is that guy? Okay, here it is, Mr. E. Mr. E, we are going to learn about you. Are you all excited to be in the class? Say hi to the children. Hi, children. Are you all excited to learn about me? Okay, I will tell you everything about me today. So let's get started. Woohoo! Okay, children, so before we start our class, I want to sing a song. And you all know this song, alphabetic song, which we have learned in junior KG. So let's sing a song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, children, so we all know that there are 26 alphabet in English grammar, but we also know that each letters have different sounds. Yes or no, children? That we have already learned. Okay, now let us quickly revise. As I point the letter, you are going to say the sound. Okay, we are all going to say the sound together. A sounds A, B, K, D, E, F. F sounds G sounds G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, R. Like the beavers, yes? Yes, Mr. E, like the beavers. Okay, now we know that there are 26 alphabet and also there are 26 sounds. Now let's see. Do my children knows how many vowels are there in English grammar? In English alphabet? Oh, okay. Some children are saying 5. Okay, very good. Proud of you, children. Give yourself a pat. Okay, now the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. These are the 5 vowels that we are going to learn today. Okay, so before that, I want you to meet my another friend. And who is that? Hello, children. My name is Vowel Caterpillar, and I am also known as A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. My name is Kitoli. What about you? Yes, so this caterpillar name is Vowel and it has A-E-I-O-U. Okay, children, now tell me, you met your magic E and you met your caterpillar also. Now, what could be the topic? Children, today we are going to learn about the magic E. Okay, so for that we need to learn about the 5 vowels. Now, we know that A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. But children, do you know that the 5 vowels have 2 types of sounds? Okay, do you know or not? Comment in and tell me. Okay, some says yes, some says no. Okay, for those who are saying no, let ma'am explain you. Ma'am is here to explain. So there are two sounds. One is short and the other one is long. Short, long, short, long. Everyone do along with me. Short and long. Okay, children, so what is short vowel sound? Okay, what is short and what is long? Who can tell me what is short vowel sound and long vowel sound? Anybody? Okay, let ma'am explain you. Now, short vowel sound are sounds that are pronounced in a short form. Okay, like how we learn about the sounds. A sounds ah, B sounds b, like that, right? So we all know that the five vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So what is the short vowel? What is the phonetic sound of A? Ah, E, I, O, U. So these are the short vowel sound, which the sounds we are using, the short sound, okay? And the long vowel sound are the letter itself, like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the letter itself is the long vowel sound, and the sounds of the letters are the short vowel sound, like ah, eh, I, O, U. Everyone say along with me, ah, eh, I, O, U. So these are the short vowel sound. Okay, children. And what are the long vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. But why ma'am is explaining this long and short vowel sound, children? Tell me. Because today we are going to learn about when to use long vowel sound and when to use short vowel sound in a word. Okay? Now for that, this magic E, okay, that's B, plays a very important role. Okay, children, now let me just tell you. Bake, okay, in the stuff. Now, do you all know this song? Bakey a cakey in the stovey, in the stovey, in the stovey. Oh, doesn't doesn't it seems weird? Bakey a cakey in the stovey. I don't think so. I don't think it's a correct word. Oh, children, you know? Oh, am I pronouncing wrong? It should be bake. Some are saying that it should be bake. Okay. A cake. Okay. In the stove. Okay. So it should be bake a cake in the stove, in the stove, in the stove. Yes. Yes. This is not baking a cake in the stove. Instead, it is bake a cake in the stove, in the stove, in the stove. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mr. E. But why? Why, Mr. E? Why, Mr. Magic E? Why? So, Mr. Magic E will explain us why. So, when there is E at the end of the word, okay, children, listen here carefully. When there is E at the end of the word, we will use the long vowel sound. What is long vowel sound? The letter itself. So A sounds A. Yes or no? the A doesn't sound. We don't say baki. We say bag. And this me. E will be silent. E will be shh. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Okay, Mr. E, now I understood. Okay, let me just explain more. Now, children, listen here. Now, when we have, for example, this word kite. Now, how do we say this word? I said kite. Now, but I should be E, right? I sounds E. But here, since the magic E is there at the end of the word, what we will do is we will shush the E, okay? And we will use the long vowel sound. Kite. We will not say kite. Yes? Now, let's all see more. Now, if I am saying, see, this is pin. Yes or no? We say pin. Now, here is short vowel sound we are using. Yes or no, children? Show thumbs up. Okay. Everyone is saying it's correct. Okay, good. Now, I sounds E. So, it's pin. Yes, children? But when I write this word, P-I-N-E, should I say pine? P, pin, E, pine. Correct? No, some are saying it's wrong. Okay, ma'am is wrong. Okay. And like Magic E explained, ma'am is wrong because E will be shush. Okay, we will not use the letter E. And instead, we will make this I sound as the long vowel sound. So it is now pine. Yes, children, I hope you are all clear. Show me thumbs up if you have all understood till now. Okay. Now let's look into more examples for better understanding. Now see, children. Now here, short vowel sound, long vowel sound. Okay, children. Now here is K-I-T. There is no E at the end of the word. So we are using kit. This short vowel sound. I sounds E, right? I sounds E, yes or no? But then, when it is K-I-T-E, when E is there, we are saying kite. Let's see into more examples, children. When it is P-I-N, we are saying pin. Short vowel sound. When it is P-I-N-E, pine. I changes to from E to I. Okay, children. So this is the work of this magic E. Now let's see more examples. The water tap which you use to drink water. Yes, children, that is called T-A-P. Tap. Sound is coming. Short vowel sound. Now when we say long, when we use long vowel sound, when there is E here, so it is tape. Tape. Last one. When it is, do we say kub? No, we say cub. Sound is coming. Short U sound. And when E is there, we are saying cube. So U sound is coming. So I hope it's all clear. Yes, children? Now we have learned about magic E. Yes, children? Is there any confusion, any doubts, any question? You can all write it down in the comment section and ma'am will clarify your doubts. Okay. Okay, everyone has understood. Okay, very good, children. I'm so proud of you. Okay, then. If there is no question, then Ma'am will what? Ma'am will do some activity. Okay, children, we are going to play one game, and I don't know who is going to be the winner. All the best, children, all the very best. Now, it's a quiz time. Let's see who will be able to give me more correct answers. Now, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Are we using long vowel sound or short vowel sound? Correct. We are using long vowel sound. Pup, up, up, pup. Yes, it is correct. It is short vowel sound. Cape, long. And lime, lime. So correct. This is again long vowel sound. Mat, M-A-T, mat. It is short vowel sound. This is again short vowel sound. And the last one, bean. This is also again short vowel sound. So I hope it is all clear, children. You all did a very good job. Now it's time to say bye to Magic E. Goodbye, children. See you all in the next class. Goodbye, Magic E. It was fun meeting you. See you in another class. Okay, then, thank you all, children. I hope you all had so much fun, and I will see you all in the next class. A-E-I-O-U. My name is Kitoli. What about you?